Hi class, my name is Tim Tarter and I have week 6 case 2 dealing with age discrimination. Some basic facts about the case. Appeals Judge Peter O'Connell is 68 years old. Under the Michigan Constitution, judges cannot seek re-election once they turn 70 years old. O'Connell wants to give up his nonpartisan seat and run for an open judge seat in his district. O'Connell filed a lawsuit in the Michigan Court of Claims against the Bureau of Elections and Michigan Department of State to force them to put his name on the ballot for his district. And question A, the Age Discrimination Employment Act protects employees over the age of 40 from discrimination based on age unless the employer has a BFOQ, which is a bona fide occupational qualification. Is the judge considered an employee in this case? In the case, Judge O'Connell is an employee of the state of Michigan. Question B. What is the argument of the judge in regard to mandatory retirement? O'Connell feels his age is discriminated against when he is fully capable of performing his job. He feels he should still be able to maintain being a judge even though he is getting to the age of retirement. Question C. What would the argument of the state in favor of mandatory retirement? The state claims that the Age Discrimination Employment Act is part of the Michigan Constitution since 1955. Many judges before O'Connell have retired from the bench without challenging the state. Question D. What are the essential functions of the job of being a judge? A judge runs daily docket of cases and makes sure cases proceed through the legal system in a fair manner for all individuals in a lawsuit. Judges rule on legal disputes, constitutional issues, and criminal matter on a daily basis. Question E. Does the fact that the Supreme Court of the United States does not have a mandatory retirement age be of any benefit to the judge in this case who is being required to retire? Judge O'Connell could argue that in a legal brief that the U.S. Supreme Court does not have a specific age of retirement to plead his case as means of persuasive authority. Since the Supreme Court does not have a specific age, why should the state of Michigan? What do you think will be the final decision in this case? Do you think the appellate courts will strike down the mandatory age requirement? I'm from Illinois, and a similar case occurred in the state in 2009. In the state of Illinois, judges need to retire at the age of 75. This judge filed for a lawsuit saying that he was still able to work at his age, and in Illinois, the appellate court ruled in favor of him and struck the retirement rule completely. So this case is difficult to determine the direction of which way it's going to go, but in my opinion, I think the state of Michigan may strike the age discrimination statute because O'Connell is the first one to petition this rule or file a lawsuit for this rule, and I'm pretty sure many others will follow. And this concludes the presentation. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.